Hello and welcome back to our channel. If your Spotify homepage is not loading, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So first thing first, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of Spotify. For that, head over to your Play Store or your App Store and then simply go ahead, search for Spotify. Type in Spotify and then search. Now, in case you see update, tap on update and update your app. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. Head over to your next step, that is opening your settings. Scroll all the way below and select apps. From here also you have to locate Spotify. So type in Spotify and then search. If you see your Spotify application here, open it. Scroll below, select storage. Clear the cache. If you remember your username and password, I also recommend you deleting your data. For that, tap on delete data or clear data, tap delete. And once you do so, restart your device, launch your Spotify, and this will make your homepage load. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.